Good day, Mr. Femtech. My question is, how can I make calls for free with zero airtime credit? The reason why I asked is that I spent 1,000 area to make call on daily basis, multiply by 7 day, that's 7,000 area. Now times 30 days, that is 30,000 naira just on airtime only.
Good question, Chrissy. I must confess you spent a lot on airtime. There is a way you could make free call with zero airtime credit. Class, that will be our topic for today. CUG means Community of Users Group. It's a service meant to ease communication among Daypayz registered members. It started with MTN and Glow is now incorporated. It's a post-paid service that once activated, you will enjoy unlimited calls and SMS to all Daypayz registered members at a monthly cost of 600 naira. The first month you activated the service, you will pay nothing, then subsequently it's 500 naira per month. Now let me advise you as you aim to activate your CUG1. Don't use your main MTN line to activate it. You can use your supplemental number in case you may not need the service again. 2. Make sure you have someone you call regularly and the person is registered to, for example, boyfriend, girlfriend, spouse, business associate, or any other person you communicate with frequently. Note this package is available to all registered members of Daypayz.
Does it look like the normal TV subscription we do subscribe that last for 30 days before subscribe again?
Yes, dear.
Wow. How do I register?
Contact Engineer Bafemi through call or WhatsApp 090535647008.
Thank you, Mr. Fem.